This is the elevator here at the Fratt building here in Old Sacramento, California. Down or to the right?
Right.
All right. Oh, we were sitting for a while. Oh, I'm zooming in. I like the wood. Very old. Oh, that leveling.
Would you say it's classic?
It's pretty classic if you ask me. Come on, big boy. Do you like my impression? What kind of phone is this?
Oh, now you broke it.
Whoops. EPCO Circline, everyone's favorite. We got like every kind of key here. Door opens down there. These three things have the original rails. These yeah. It's got a Mac interlock.
Huh.
I guess there's a chime on top of the elevator car. Oh, yo, that's cool. Just stand here real quick. Oh, it's an old ass building. This is an ancient building. I just lost the fucking elevator. Shit just went down.
What?
It probably parks on the first floor.
Damn, I could have kept drinking.
Yeah. Oh shit! Oh, there's a padlock up there. Did you make sure that you can open that door again?
Yep.
Oh, okay, good. Oh, he's here. What the fuck was that for? Yeah, the wood makes it look a lot older than it really is. It very well fits this building. This is oh my, the reflective light panel covers. It's just, ooh.
I like them.
All right.